Relationships in Salesforce. Generally, we know parent-child relationships on any RDBMS that we work. But here in Salesforce, we see two types of relationships: lookup relationship, master detail relationship. Straightforward, both are parent-child relationship only. Parent-child, either it is master detail or lookup, both are parent-child only. Now I am on student object. I want to establish relationship with a faculty object. So one faculty, many students. One parent, many children. Then why lookup, why master detail? Two are different. Fine. Lookup, master detail. When you feel on a child object, the entry of parent information is not mandatory thing, then you can go for lookup relationship. But when you feel it should be mandatory to select a parent field value on a child object. For example, on my student object, I am going to establish relationship with faculty. So on a student object, you will be having a lookup field or master detail field. If it is lookup field, it is optional. You can keep it blank or you can select faculty for that student. If it's a master detail, it can't be an optional. It's a mandatory. It's a required field. You need to compulsory select one faculty value in order to save a student record. This is one difference. As we observed, for a lookup relationship, you can keep it blank. Well, fine. So there can be a child record without a parent value in the lookup relationship. Coming to the master detail, you can't have a child record, you can't have a student record saved without selecting a faculty value. Well, what happens if I delete a faculty record from the faculty object? What will be the effect on the child object? Now you see 10 student records are there. Out of 10 student records, you have some parent value. Lookup field or master detail, whatever it may be, a parent, faculty. All the 10 are, suppose faculty A, faculty B. 5 students under faculty A, 5 students under faculty B. If I delete a faculty A record from faculty object, what will be the effect on the student for faculty field? Lookup field, very simple. The parent value is going to be blank. From faculty A, it's going to be blank, simply. Coming to the master detail, if you had established master detail between parent to student, cascade delete, what we call. Once you delete a master record from the master object, all the children will also be deleted. Suppose if you delete faculty B record from the faculty object, the firstmost condition, the firstmost rule for master detail is that there can't be a child record without a parent field selected. So there cannot be student records without a faculty. So once you delete faculty B, so all the 5 students under faculty B will also be deleted. So cascade delete. Reassignment of faculty on the student. If it is lookup, you can keep it blank. You can assign faculty A. You can reassign faculty B, faculty C, possible. If it's master detail relationship, you don't have option. Once you assign faculty A, that's it. You can't reassign to faculty B or faculty C. Good. Now the question in our mind should not be which is good. It all depends on the requirement of establishing relationship. Now comes the main very important thing. Aggregate functions. On lookup relationship, you cannot track aggregate functions like how many students under a faculty. Out of those students who has paid the least fees, who has paid the maximum fees, otherwise who has scored the maximum marks, who has scored the minimum marks, otherwise the total amount of fee collected from the students that are studying under specific faculty. So minimum function, maximum function, count function, sum function. These roll-up summary fields cannot be tracked if it is lookup relationship. Yes, this count function, sum function, main function, max function, you can use this roll-up summary fields on your master detail relationship. That is the reason in the read-only fields section we have observed auto number is working, formula field is working. Later you have roll-up summary, which is grayed out, and it is giving information that there should be master detail relationship and this object should be master. So where you can track these aggregate functions on the master object. You establish relationship with the faculty on student object. But where you can track these aggregate functions? On faculty object, when faculty is the master and there is master detail relationship with the student. So faculty should be the master, student should be the detail, then you can track these aggregate functions on the faculty master detail object. Good. On a child object, how many lookup relationship fields can be created? 25. The limit is 25. Coming to the master detail, how many masters can a detail have? 2. That's it. And another important thing that we need to understand here is the first relationship that you establish. I am speaking of master detail. Suppose for a student you have established first with faculty, second with course. Then faculty will be the primary master detail relationship field. Why I am saying primary? Whatever the attributes, the properties will be inherited to its child. Whatever the attributes, the security settings and other settings, they are going to be inherited from primary master detail relationship object. So that is called primary relationship. Okay, and we will see later when we are going to see many-to-many relationships. Well, in case lookup relationship, now I am establishing the relationship with faculty, student with faculty. So one lookup. Like that you can create course, you can create country, you can create fee structure. So like that you can go up to 25 max. So this is the limit of lookup relationship field.